Makeba, Magepa, Makatella.
Why?
Shall we go take some AKs?
Okay.
All the better.
I pressed 1 and then didn't pull out the gun. So lovely, okay. Yeah, sure. Let's go. Oh, actually, hold on. Right side. Good. I don't know. But it's hard to stop the train. Same team behind you.
Okay.
Easy.
Alright. Just in their spawn looking at all from whose perspective that was.
Doesn't shield, I think.
This is fucking pushing.
Come on, let's go.
Got a lot of flashes along.
Is that the way the pop dog now?
I think they're on a save run. This dude was rushing with a taser from the looks of it.
You went to the suicide by cop. You know it's suicide.
Yeah.
I'm just fun. Never suicide.
I'm really saying.
They should have never given us the save round because now our economy is booming. Does anyone want a gun? I want to see a USB print screen. Oh,
How do you have 14,000?
Huh? Oh, I invested in Forex. Hi guys, I followed Joash Naidu on Instagram and Rocket
Shut your
Exchange.
mouth. Fucking Rocket Stadium. Yes.
Oh, is that where that smoke goes? No, don't do Joash Naidu trading extraordinaire. Guys, I followed him and he tripled my money in 2 months, guys.
Your money.
I'll
Fucking man, triple 50 cents. I got 150 back. What an asshole. Fucking Rocket.
Joash.
I miss you.
Yeah, okay. Let me have a line.
Yeah. That guy is hiding in that smoke, you know. He deserves to kill me if he's in that smoke.
Yes. Oh shit, sorry.
Can you blind the bosses in Destiny?
Can you run?
Blind the bosses.
No. There's a certainty of enemies that certain things don't work on, like disorientating, blinding. I'm gonna assume in their right side. I'm going to molly and push on. Hopefully they do not peek.
Green, who's green? Michelle!
Huh?
Why you go AFK mid-game, you
Sorry, the guy called me, the worker called me.
Fuck him,
Nah,
he
my
was
bullshit
what?
is buy on Joash Naidu's channel.
Let me phone them.
Being out to invest
One was
and
by
get
me,
a
one
war.
was by me.
Ah,
Where I died.
You wanna go B?
Oh, slowly. We can hear you.
on site will be tagged.
Probably heard though, if the guy was there. Yeah, left.
Laying down some fire. Cover me while I plant.
I'm watching now. Actually, I'm gonna That is true.
It's planted for you, it's planted for you.
Heaven, I think.
Exactly.
Nice.
I'm guessing he's some audience here.
He tried the big brain in.
Michelle's on a call with Joyash Naidu.
He's